प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी by Shakti Chatterjee. Today I have given a geometrical problem where angle is missing. See the question and I have already solved it. My mobile number is given 9204876067. The question is, in the given figure BC parallel AD, this is BC parallel AD, angle BAE 120 degree, angle BCD 110 degree, angle ABC is 80 degree. This is 80 degrees given, angle ABC. In the same time, AB equal to BC. So asking क्या है? Asking is given. The asking BAC, that BAC, CAD and EAD. I have marked it. This question, this angle is missing. You have to find it. So first, I have written here sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and the sum of adjacent angle equal to 180 degree, and corresponding angles are equal when two lines are parallel and it cut by a transversal. Then EC is the transversal, BC and AD is the parallel. So angle BCE adjacent of angle AED, this sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. In the same time, angle BCE equal to angle ADE, because this is corresponding angles. Now let us start. Here I have written when AB equal to BC in triangle ABC. The ABC is an isosceles triangle. We know that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then two angles should be equal. Therefore, angle BAC equal to angle BC equal to 180 minus 80 by 2 equal to 100 by 2 equal to 50 degree. Answer. First answer is over. Now angle BCD. See angle BCD. So when it is 50 degree, therefore this angle is 110 minus 50, that is 60 degree. It is, I have written here, angle ACD equal to angle BCD minus BCA. Angle BCD equal to 100, BCD equal to angle BCA plus angle ACD. I have mentioned all these things, and it is the angle, it is not asking, but need to know this angle. Now angle BCD plus angle ADC equal to adjacent angles. Therefore angle ADC is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 110 minus 110 equal to 70 degree. This angle is 70 degree. Now you see, this is 70 and this is how much? 110 minus 50, 60. So 70 plus 60, 130, and this angle should be 50 degree. Like this, I have written it that in triangle ACD, CAD equal to 180 minus 70 plus 60 degree. That is answer 50 degree. Answer 2. Now EAD is same thing. See EAD, when this angle is 50 degree and this angle is 60 degree, this is also 50 degree. This is 50, this is 50, so this will be 20 degree. It is, I have written here, angle BAE equal to angle BAC plus angle CAD plus angle DAE. So 50 plus 50, 100, 120, say minus कीजिएगा, so you will get 20. Answer 3. And now you see this angle AEC. It is unknown, that is AED I have written here. So in a quadrilateral ABCE, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle E equal to 360 degree, which I have written. I know that angle A is 120 degree, angle B is 80 degree, angle C is 110 degree. Therefore, angle AED equal to 360 degree minus this 120 plus 80, 200 plus 110 is 310, that is 50 degree. 360 minus 310 is 50 degree. A equal to AED. I have mentioned that answer 1 BS equal to 50 degree, answer 2 CAD equal to 50 degree, answer 3 EAD equal to 20 degree, answer 4 AED equal to 50 degree. Pyare bachcho, if you like this video, please share to your friends, put some comment. Those who has not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.